and a prime number has only two factors. Now, next two questions. How many factors are common to 360 comma 540? How many factors are common to 360 comma 540? Next question. How many factors for 360? How many factors for 360 are not factors of 540? How many factors for 360 are not factors of 540? Are not factors of 540? These two questions will solve. How many factors are common to 360 and 540? He is telling 360 write the factors, 540 write the factors. Take the factors which are common to 360 and 540. List that items. How many factors for 360 are not factors of 540? One by one we will discuss the concept. Now see here. Concept. With an example. Suppose if I take 6, smaller number we will take. What are the factors of 6? Factors of 6 are 1 is a factor of 6, 2 is a factor of 6, 3 is a factor of 6, and 6 is a factor of 6. Yes or no? Let me take 9. What are the factors of 9? 1 is a factor of 9, 3 is a factor of 9, and 9 is also a factor of 9. 1, 2, 3, 6 are factors of 6, 1, 3, 9 are factors of 9. I want the factors common. I want the factors common. I want the factors common to 6 and 9. What are the factors common? 1 is common to 6 and 9. 2 is not common to 6 and 9. 3 is common to 6 and 9. 3 is common to 6 and 9. 1 comma 3. These are nothing but the factors for 3. These are nothing but the factors for 3. So whenever we want the HCF factors common to 6 and 9, we will take the HCF of 6 and 9. Why we got HCF of 6 and 9? Highest common factor. Why we are taking? In the name itself it is present. HCF, factors common. In that one, highest number will become the highest common factor. So whenever we are listing all the factors, everything will come. So first write down the factors common to 6 and 9. Factors common to 6 and 9 are 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are nothing but the factors for 3. 3 is defined as the HCF of 6 and 9. 3 is defined as the HCF of 6 and 9. So whenever, immediately it should strike you. Whenever the wording is factors common to, whenever the wording is factors common to, we have to take the HCF. One is 360. Another is 540. Another is 540. Another is 540. 360 it is 180 into 2. 540 it is 180 into 3. 180 into 3. 180 into 3. Now see here. HCF of 360, 540. 360, 540. 360, what is the factor common to both 360 and 540? Highest. 180 into 2, 180 into 3. 180 is common. Take it out. 180. 2 and 3 are coprimes. 2 and 3 are coprimes. Write down one important key point. HCF of coprimes, it is always 1. So 180 is taken out. Remaining 2 and 3 are coprimes. Anyway, in tomorrow's class, HCF I am going to discuss in detail. 180, 180. So it is 180. It is 180. So what are the factors for 180? 180 is, can be written as 2 square into 3 square into 5. Are you all with me? 2 square it is 4, 3 square it is 9, 5 power 1 it is 5, 4 9s are 36, 36 5s are 180. How many factors are there for 180? How many factors are there for 180? 2 square it is 3. It is 3 square it is 3. 5 power 1 it is 2. 3 into 3 into 2. Answer for this question is 18. Answer for this question is 18. I think if it is not visible, let me write it down. 1 minute, sir. I'll write it here. This question, we will do it in the next slide once we understand the concept. So 360, 540, it is 180. Now see here. 180 factors are 2 square into 3 square into 5. So how many factors are there? 2 power 0 to 2 power 2, 3 power 0 to 3 power 2, 5 power 0 to 5 power 1. 3 into 3 into 2. What will be the answer? 18. There are 18 factors which are common to 360 and 540. Again, I am repeating, this example is important to me. I took two single digit numbers, 6 and 9. I wrote all the factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. I wrote all the factors of 9. I want the factors common to 1, 2, 6 and 9. 1 is common, 3 is common. 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are factors for which number? 3. 1 and 3 are common for which number? 3. So whenever the question is, if two numbers are given, if you want the factors common, take the HCF of two numbers. Take the HCF of two numbers. HCF of 6 and 9, it is 3. There are various ways to do HCF. Tomorrow, almost 1.5 hours, I'll spend on LCM and HCF, various ways to check it out. One of the way is 360, it is 180 into 2. 540, it is 180 into 3. 180, it is taken out. 2 and 3, they are co-prime. HCF of co-primes, it is 1. 180 factors are 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. 3 into 3 into 2. There are 18 factors which are common to 360 and 540. 360 and 540. Now see here, another concept. You can also solve this problem in this way, concept. Suppose, example, I want HCF of 24 comma 36. HCF of 24 comma 36. This can be written as HCF of 12 into 2 comma 12 into 3. 12 into 3. 12 is common. HCF of 2 and 3. They are co-prime to each other 1. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. HCF of co-primes, it is 1. This is what I did it. But you may not be able to find out the numbers in such a way that remaining factor, it is common. Another prime base method. The question may not be in natural number. The question can be in prime base method. So what you will do is, first take 24. Write down it as a power of prime bases. 2 cube into 3 power 1. 8 into 3, 24. 36. It is 2 square into 3 square. 36. It is 2 square into 3 square. HCF of 24, 36. First, 2 square, 2 cube. What is the lowest power common in 2 square, 2 cube? It is 2 square. 3 power 1, 3 square. What is the lowest power? It is common 3. 4 into 3, it is 12. Please write down. Always takes the lowest power of the HCF can also be done by using the lowest power of the common prime bases. If the question is represented in the form of prime bases, you can use this concept. Lowest power of the common prime bases. Lowest power of the common prime basis. In case if you are not able to do like this, write every number as a power of a prime basis. 2 cube into 3 power 1, 2 square into 3 square, 2 square 2 cube. What is the lowest? 2 square. 3 power 1 3 square. What is the lowest? 3 power 1. 2 square it is 4. 3 power 1 it is 12. HCF of 24 and 36. The answer is 12. Suppose if the question is like this, how many factors are common to? How many factors are common to? How many factors are common to? First question, n1 equivalent to 2 cube into 3 power 4 into 5 square, n2 equivalent to 2 square into 3 power 6 into 5 power 4. How many factors are common to? n1 equivalent to 2 cube into 3 power 4 into 5 square, n2 equivalent to 2 square into 3 power 6 into 5 power 4. So what will be the answer? Answer is defined as the HCF of n1 and n2. HCF of n1 and n2. HCF of n1 and n2. What is n1 and n2 HCF? Lowest power of the common prime basis. Lowest power of the common prime basis. 2 square 2 cube. Lowest power of 2 is 2 square. 2 square. 3 power 4 3 power 6. Lowest it is 3 power 4. 5 square 5 power 4. Lowest it is 5 square. For this we have to determine the factors. For this we have to determine the factors. What will be the answer? 3 into 5 into 3. 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. Take the HCF of two numbers and then apply the factors, because the question is how many factors are common to. We have to list down all the factors that are common to these two numbers. Factors common to these two numbers will be HCF. Factors for these HCF it is 0 to 23, 0 to 45, 0 to 23. The question can be n1 equivalent to 3 power 5. n2 equivalent to 2 power 7, n3 equivalent to 5 power 4. 5 power 4. Please remember, if I am taking a single prime base, that should be present in all the three numbers. Suppose answer will be factors for HCF of n1, n2, n3. Factors common. 2 power should be present in n1 and n3. 2 power some number can be present. It is not possible. Or we will write like this. Into 2 power 0. Into 5 power 0. Into 3 power 0. Into 5 power 0. Into 2 power 0. Into 3 power 0. All these I added so that it will be crystal clear to you. 2 power 0, 2 power 7, 2 power 0. What is lowest power common? 2 power 0. Into 3 power 0, 3 power 0, 3 power 5. Lowest it is 3 power 0. 5 power 0, 5 power 0, 5 power 4. Lowest it is 5 power 0. 1. 1, the only factor for 1 is 1. I hope the idea it is clear. If I write like this, then it will be very, very easy for you. In HCF, I will discuss much more complex level problems. So, if I am taking 3 power 5, power of 3 should be present in other two numbers. It is not present. So 1. 2 power 7, power of 2 should be present in. Please read these definition. Lowest power of the common prime basis. Common prime basis. It should be present in all the three numbers. Answer for the second question it is 1. Answer for the first question it is 45. How to determine the factors common using prime base method? Prime base method says write the number as a power of prime numbers and take the lowest power of the common prime basis. Lowest power of the common prime basis. I hope the idea it is clear. Each and every slide I will discuss a particular concept. Your notes will be the extreme popular book in the next coming weeks or months. Your friends will ask for your notes, mark my words, because the kind of structure in which I take the class, that is something you will not find it in any regular textbook. I know what to be taught at what level. Next one, what is the another question that we wrote and erased it? The question goes like this: how many factors for 360? How many factors for 360 are not factors for 540? Very, very good question, sir. How many factors for 360 are not factors for 540? Suppose, once we understand this question, one more example we will do it. How many factors for 100 are not factors for? How many factors for 100 are not factors for 120? Two examples based upon this concept. How many factors for 360 are not factors for 540? How many factors for 100 are not factors for 120? Now, if you read the question, there is a number 360, we have to determine the factors. There is another number 540, we have to determine the factors. From first one, we have to determine the factors which are common to 360 and 540. Factors for 100 are not factors for 120 because there are two natural numbers. For the first question, there are two natural numbers. So the best way to solve this question is by using Venn diagrams. By using Venn diagrams, we will get this answer very, very fast. Venn diagrams. Instead of counting it, we will do Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams, sets are represented using circles. This is a circle which represents the factors of 360. This is another circle which represents the factors of 540. What is this shaded region? These are the factors common to. Factor common to 360 and 540. I hope it is clear. Factors common to 360 and 540. One circle represents the factors for 360. Next circle represents the factors for 540. Now read the question. What is the question? Read the question. How many factors for 360? The circle represents the total factors for 360 are not factors for 540. That means I require these red color shaded region. In the factors of 360, there are certain factors which are common to 360 and 540. We have to eliminate it, then we will get these red color shaded region. So the question can be written as, it is nothing but what is the total factors of 360, which is the entire red circle. I want only the red shaded portion. I need to subtract the green shaded portion. What is the green shaded portion? Factors common to 360 and 540. I hope the idea it is clear. Total factors of 360 minus factors common to 360 and 540. 360 it is 8 9s are 72, 72 5s are 360. Factors common to 360, 540 it is 180. 180 it is 36 into 5. 2 square into 3 square into 5. I hope it is clear. Just now we did it. 360, 540. 180 into 2, 180 into 3. 2 and 3 are co-prime to each other. 180. 180. So what are the factors for this number? 4 into 0 to 3, 0 to 2, 0 to 1. 4 into 3 into 2 minus, what are the factors for this number? 3 into 3 into 2. 24 minus 18. 24 minus 18. Answer for this question is 6. Answer for this question is 6. Read the question again. How many factors for 360? For me, I need to work on the factors of 360. In that factors of 360, there are certain factors which are common to 360 and 540. Factors which are common to 360 and 540 are in the green shaded portion, which is 180. 180 factors are 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. How many factors will be there for this number? 3 into 3 into 2. 3 into 3 into 2 will be 18. Out of 24 factors, there are 18 factors which are common to both 360 and 540. That I need to eliminate it. I hope the idea it is clear. Please put a star mark on each and every question. Color, how many factors for 100? This circle represents the factors for 100. Are not factors for 120. There is another circle which represents the factors for 120. In this one, I require this portion. Subtracted from the blue shaded portion. Same concept. Subtracted from the blue shaded portion. So what will be the answer? Answer is factors for 100 minus factors common to 100 and 120. Factors common to 100 and 120. 100, 120. 25s are 100, 26 are 120. 5 and 6 are coprime. So the answer is factors for 100 minus factors for 20. Factors for 100 minus factors for 20. Factors for 100. 100 it is 2 square into 5 square. 2 square into 5 square. 3 into 3. It is 9. Factors for 20. 20 it is 2 square into 5 power 1. 3 into 2, 6. So total 9, 3 into 2, 6. 9 minus 6, it is 3. 9 minus 6, it is 3. I hope these two examples are quite clear to you. In the previous question, how many factors are common to both the numbers? We did it. Now, how many factors for 360 are not factors for 540? I hope the method is clear. Best way to solve is by using Venn diagrams. Two questions based upon this model. Next one. N equivalent to 360. 360 it is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Find the total number of lot of questions will solve. Find the total number of factors. Find the total number of even factors. Find the total number of odd factors. In factors, there are even numbers, there are odd numbers, even factors and odd factors. Factors which are multiples of 12. Factors which are multiples of 12. Which are multiples of 12. E. Factors which are not multiples of 12. Factors which are not multiples of 12. 5 problems, we will solve it one by one. Suppose if you take a number, the number will have a lot of factors. In that factors, there are some factors which are even numbers. There are some factors which are odd numbers. These odd factors. Odd factors. Listen carefully, sir. odd factors. Factors, even factors, odd factors, factors which are multiples of 12 and factors which are not multiples of 12. One by one we will go, sir. Listen carefully. Factors. Factors is 0 to 3, 4 cases, 0 to 2, 3 cases, 0 to 1, 2 cases, 4 into 3 into 2. Total 24 factors are there. Find n equivalent to 360. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Factors 0 to 3, 4, 0 to 2, 3, 0 to 1, 2. Even factors. When I say even factors, simple language, it means factors which are multiples of 2. Factors which are multiples of 2. Listen carefully, sir. Factors which are multiples of 2. Any number multiplied by 2, it becomes an even number. I want the factors which are multiples of 2. I want the factors which are multiples of 2. Any multiple of 2 will be of the form 2k. Yes or no? Any multiple of 2 will be of the form 2k. 2 into. What will be the remaining number? 2 square, 3 square, and 5 power 1. Only 1 power of 2 I took it outside. Why 1 power of 2 I took it outside? Any number which is, any factor which is an even number, that means it should be a multiple of 2. So these are all the numbers. These are all the numbers which are getting multiplied by 2. By getting multiplied by 2, they automatically become an even number. How many factors are there for this number? 3 into 0 to 2, 3, 0 to 2, 3, 0 to 1, 2. 3 into 3 into 2. Answer is 18. Again I am repeating. Even factors. Even factors means factors which are even numbers. Even number means numbers which are multiples of 2. If I multiply it by 2, 2 cube, 1, 2, it is out. Remaining 2 square, 3 square and 5 power 1. 0 to 2, 3. 0 to 2, 3. 0 to 1, 2. 3 into 3 into 2. Total how many I got? 18 factors. Out of 24 factors, there are 18 factors which are even numbers. Out of 24 factors, there are 18 factors which are even numbers. Odd factors. Odd factors. This can be done in two ways. Method number 1 and method number 2. Method number 1. Method 1 is total factors minus total number of even factors. Total factors minus total number of even factors. I will get odd number of factors. I will get odd number of factors. So total factors, how many are there? 24. Even factors, how many are there? 18. 24 minus 18. What will be the answer? 6. If I want the odd factors, total factors minus total number of even factors, I will get odd factors. Method 2. Odd factors means factors which are odd numbers. What do you mean by an odd number? Odd number is a number which is not divisible by 2, which are not multiples of 2. Which are not multiples of 2. Listen carefully, sir. Which are not multiples of 2. N equivalent to 2 power 3 into 3 square into 5 power 1. Which are not multiples of 2. Remove all the powers of 2. Even if you keep 2 power 0, 1 into any number, it does not change. So I am removing all the powers of 2. If I remove all the powers of 2, that means the number is never divisible by 2. If it is never divisible by 2, remaining number are the factors which are odd numbers. 0 to 2, 3, 0 to 1, 2. What will be the answer? 6. Factors which are not multiples of 2. Any factor which are not multiples of 2 means remove all the powers of 2. 2 power 3 is taken out. Even if you keep 2 power 0, 1, answer will not be changing. So 0 to 2, 3 cases, 0 to 1, 2 cases. Even factors which are multiples of 2. Odd factors which are not multiples of 2. Factors which are not multiples of 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, from here onwards, you can solve the question very, very easily. Now see here. factors which are multiples of 12. Any multiple of 12 is of the form 12k. Any multiple of 12, it is of the form 12k. 12 is 2 square into 3. Remaining will be 2 cube, 2 square is taken out. Remaining is 2 power 1. 3 power 1 is taken out. Remaining is 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. These are the numbers. These are the numbers which are getting multiplied by 12. So how many factors are there for this number? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Totally, how many multiples of 12 are there? 8 factors. I hope it is clear. If it is a multiple of 6, write down 6k. If it is a multiple of 12, write down 12k. Factors which are not multiples of 12, which can be written as total factors minus factors which are multiples of 12. Total factors will be 24. Factors which are multiples of 12 will be 8. 24 minus 8, it is 16. 24 minus 8, it is 16. I hope the idea, it is clear. Factors which are multiples of 12, factors which are not multiples of 12. How to find out the factors? How to find out the even factors? How to find out the odd factors? Odd factors are the factors which are not divisible by 2. Eliminate all the powers of 2. Are total factors minus total number of even factors. Total factors minus total number of even factors. 5 examples clear, right? Next one. Next one, please write down.